Here is a Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door, and right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it, and in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Hyundai emblem, put your hand over there and then lift it up. Lift it like this, and that is where you're pressing on. Now lift up the hood, grab the prop rod over there, and then put it in that slot with the arrow marking it, and let it go. And now the hood is secure. Once the hood is open, that right over there where the engine air filter is, we need to open up this flap, and now we need to twist this lock, unlock, twist this lock to unlock. Just grab the center part and pull the filter out of the air box, and it should just slide right out, and out it comes. The top side is the clean side, the bottom side of the filter is the dirty side. Outside air comes from the bottom, all the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the top goes inside the engine. Now check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself. And before you put it in, if this air box looks too dirty inside, you can just vacuum clean it before you put the new filter in. For now, let's just go ahead and put this filter back in. Make sure those two locks on the side are in the unlock position, just the way I'm showing. Put this filter in, and now twist this lock to the lock position, this one to the lock position. Let's check it, it's not moving. Put the flap back on and press it down, and that's it. To close the hood, first push on it, get load off the prop rod, get it out of that slot, put it back in its place and push it down, lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.